Hey, so welcome to Appalachian Natural Soaps. We're a local based in Asheville, North Carolina on 21 Wall Street in the middle of downtown Asheville. We're a local soap making company that specializes in 100% natural and holistic skincare products. We've been doing this for over 26 years and support our local community and providing them with a skincare regimen that really helps and aids in the skin. Our big motto here is don't be naked with anything you can't trust, and we believe you can 100% trust the products we use in our store. We are pet friendly. We even make our own soap for our dog friends called Bubble Pup, which is made just for them. So come in anytime, bring your pups. We'd love to see them try our product. Visit us at AppalachianNaturalSoaps.com, order some Bubble Pup, and send us in the pictures of your dogs. We'd love to show them to our customers.